So how do you remove a shadow from your photo? If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and I'm going to show it to you exactly. So at first, we can delete or lift up the shadows across the whole image. That's going to be first part of the video. So if you go to the gallery and if we look up a photo, somewhere where it contains some shadows, right? For example, I don't know if I have a good choice in here. But if there is like a photo which contains a lot of shadows, then we have the ability to bump them up across the whole image, right? So you can see I can make the photo full screen, click on edit like so, and from the adjust tools, we can swipe over to the exposure, brilliance, highlights, and here are the shadows. And you can just now pay attention to the darker parts of the photo. If I slide it up like this, you can see that these are much more visible, whereas before it was really dark, and now we bumped up the shadows, but across the whole image, right? So we made it much more clearer, and that's like one of the basic tools you can utilize for editing your photos. Just do not forget to hit it done, and it will be saved. Right, so that's one thing. But for example, in this case, what if we want to delete like a huge shadow piece, right? If there's something like that, how can you remove this? Well, for that, I would recommend you to get the Snapseed photo editor from the App Store, which is, by the way, freely available, and you can just get it like so. Just click on open, right? And you can just bring in here any photo you want, right? So I'm going to click on add a photo, and let me pick this one, for example. So when I confirm it like this, you can see that we have a couple of tools below, so you can swipe up on the tools, and one of the ones which we can use for this is going to be the healing tool. So when we click on healing, we can now essentially draw and select with the finger the areas of the picture which we want to remove. It kind of depends on how much shadow you have in there, but we can give it a shot, right, by selecting the areas which we want to remove like so, and it will try to replace it by something else. May not be ideal, but as you can see, like removed like a huge chunk of this, right? So yeah, toward the bottom, it doesn't look that great, but we were sort of able to delete the whole shadow thing. So as I say, it depends on the image, but if you have something like a shadow which you don't like specifically in some places, you can also use the healing tool to replace it with something else, or just lift up the shadows as I've shown you at the beginning. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.